Prime Minister Narendra Modi left on a two-nation tour of France and the United Arab Emirates today. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has described India as a bridge between global south and western world. The two-day G20 conference on crime and security in the age of NFTs, AI and metaverse started in Gurugram, Haryana today. External Affairs Minister Dr. S. Jaishankar met Russia Foreign Minister Sergei Lavrov and Singapore Foreign Minister Vivian Balakrishnan in Jakarta today. Union Housing and Urban Affairs Minister Hardeep Singh Puri has stressed on the need to put citizens at the heart of urban planning. The Defence Acquisition Council has approved proposals for buying 26 Rafale fighter aircraft for Indian Navy.